What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. Thanks to everybody that came out to the Freddy LSX Truck Fest. That show was top of the line. Also, guys, the giveaway on this one is currently on, guys, and right now every $10 gives you 30 entries to win this truck or 25K in cash money. This is a beautiful truck, guys, and it could be yours. All you have to do is pick up a Project Torque t-shirt, lanyard, hat, doesn't matter. Shop right now. Enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe. If you're watching this right now, don't click off, subscribe and enjoy the video. ¡Oh, la verga!
Oh, shit.
No mames, how did that get there?
La pinche lagartija, güey. You know?
That shit looks like a fucking... Guys, that looks like a whole, like an iguana or something. That thing is big. When did it get there? You want to haul ass in the freeway and see if it flies out?
Nah, I don't think it'll fly out. They got that.
Damn, it scared the shit out of me.
They got that Spider-Man in there.
Hey, Big Smoke, it's me, Carl. Chill.
No te vaya a brincar, güey.
Get it off, Oscar.
Grab it with your hand.
I'm not gonna touch that way.
A lo mejor estaba ahí de los árboles que tienes,
Come on,
güey.
touch it. Get it off.
No, fuck that.
Come on, Oscar, you do that shit.
The hell, no soy del bosque, güey.
Pobrecita, güey, mírala.
No, pégale, güey.
Okay, do it.
Ah, fuck
Hurry. Pobrecita, güey. Hit it. Me la vas a meter a mí, puñetas.
Se le va a cortar la cola.
You already touched it, ew, güey. No mames, te mió.
No mames.
A Oscar lo mió la lagartija.
La lagartija.
Alright, what you want to drink? A Red Bull? Guys, so right now, welcome back to another video. Big shout out to everybody that went to the show this weekend. It was lit. But we're back to regular schedule program. We actually have to get ready because this coming up week is gonna be April shootout. So we're gonna be out there for truck blue. We gotta put another motor in it. I'm like, we got a lot of things to do. You want Red Bull?
No. Get a water.
Water?
Me tomé un café, güey. Estaba tomando un café.
You get shit then.
Water, my phone.
We gonna play basketball.
Yeah, that's why I need water. Me voy a deshidratar.
Slow, huh?
Well, you ain't having 4x4.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do right now, Vargas is actually on the way to go pick up the green machine from the track because we ended up leaving it over there. We didn't have enough trucks to pull the trailers with. So we ended up leaving the truck over there. Vargas is actually picking it up right now, and then whenever he gets here, we're gonna assess the damage. What happened? Did the motor really blow up? There was an oil stain over there, but hopefully that motor could be revived, or now we're gonna have to be replacing that motor with a whole nother motor. That's not cheap, guys. So not only that, but we have April shootout this weekend, guys, so we have to have that truck ready. The OG is running, it's freshly painted, but the suspension is a little tweaked from the front. I think for some reason the suspension, I think whenever we went to SEMA, I ended up hitting it on the wall or something. Something is messed up on it. It rubs on the fender on top, and it used to not do that. So we might have to replace the whole front suspension on it, and then it will be ready for us to take it back to the shows and do our burnouts or whatever. I also got to replace the rack and pinion because we have no power steering right now because of that, and yeah. But for right now, we want to go buy a basketball court for the shop so everybody can get active, guys, because we've been getting fatter and fatter streaks. So Oscar's tummy looking too big now after he been eating a lot, and all he does is sit around and edit. So we're gonna go buy a basketball court, and we're gonna maybe play a little game with the guys and bet some money. Cause if it is about money,
I know
it ain't fun. And Moro knows about that. Let's go in.
Oh, that's the one that you gotta drill down to.
No. We need a
Oh, wait.
$6.99. We're not that professional.
Y luego está bien alto, güey. No creo que la use.
This one's not bad. $189.
Oh, and that one's a good one too.
How high does it go?
It's usually like that. I think you gotta maybe pull it. Así. That's fucking high as fuck. Nobody can dunk on it. Mira, güey.
Oh, that's perfect. Güey.
Spinning acrylic calculator portable. See?
That's
Acrylic
it, right?
portable. Yeah, because it's not that one. That one's too.
Help with
Okay.
basketball court.
Oh.
This one, no?
Ándale. Hasta con net. Does it come with a net? Oh yeah, it comes with a white net. It's
we put the professional net on there.
Pues eso puedes comprar. No, nada, mejor eso. Ahora puedes comprar las agujas solas.
So we don't have a little thingy.
Guards, mouth guards. Estos wristbands. Para mirarte bien profesional.
Ready! Where is trash came from?
Let's get ready, Rumble.
Let's get ready to rumble.
We need y'all's help.
In this corner, we got Morro LSX.
Mira,
¿Qué trajeron?
mira lo que compramos.
¿Qué trajeron? Carnitas,
Ajá.
aracoa.
¿Está listo para cocinar?
Ah, cabrón. No le sé, yo no le sé al pinche basketball.
Pero vas a ver, va a aprender.
¿Qué? Levantarle a una
¿Viste eso?
allá.
¿Así?
Morro, get the tools. You gotta build this shit. You were gonna buy it.
Yeah, we were
He was.
I was gonna get one.
He was. I'm gonna go buy one so we can have one in the shop. I did you a favor. The least thing you can do is fucking build the motherfucking thing.
Yeah.
Ahora sí,
ya. Vamos a trabajar todo
el día de hoy.
No more working. Only playing.
Cállense, no. Luego me agarran puro pinche pedo, culero. Cállense.
Va a haber mamazón.
Mamazón, carnita asada, Guppy.
Puro pedo, hombre. ¿Cuál carnita asada? ¿Cuál mamazón?
¿Trata las herramientas, morro?
Damn. Oh.
Ah. Está pesada esa mancha.
A la madre.
Oh shit, the puzzle.
Está bien, cabrón. ¿Y cabrón para qué? ¿Para qué, morro?
No mames, güey.
Para hacer todo eso y limpiar todo el taller.
Mire. Lea los instructions ya.
Instructions are there. Instructions are there. Es más, ahorita lo va a armar con morro.
¿Qué dice? Léele.
Pon atención, porque nos vamos a decir warranty for the very latest basketball system. Warranty information, please visit www.spliding.com.
¿Sí? Titanium. He puesto hasta ketchup, escucha esa madre.
¡Yo me quedé sordo!
Ahora.
¡Ay, cabrón! ¡Falta! ¡Serio!
Hágale también. Ah.
Been at it for about 2 hours and they still ain't got it done, guys. But ahí va más o menos. Motor's over there. It's right here. We need a couple more things. Now Vargas did get here with the green machine. We ended up washing it and everything cause it had all that fire extinguisher powder. But there it is, guys. We are gonna need a new motor for it. I don't know what we're gonna do, but Marona green machine, we did a little wash on it to get all that stuff off of it, and we'll pull out the motor and see what type of damage it was done to it.
Which one? Keep win the game. Right?
Winner, chicken dinner. All right, guys. So we already got our little workout in for today. Now, Vargas over here pulling out the motor once again on the green machine. What went wrong? We still don't know, but it's okay, guys. Sometimes this happens. Sometimes you get a motor and it's bad, ¿verdad, Vale? Yeah. So he's gonna pull it out. We're gonna find a replacement, slap it in, and hopefully this truck is ready before the April shootout. ¿Verdad, Vale?
Yes, sir.
Damn it, boy. Good thing que esta no tiene tanto.
I know.
Guys, good thing that this truck is out in the open. The motor, you don't have to move a lot of things to get
Tienes
the
un
motor out.
chingo de espacio.
I can clap in it and
Climb
stay
in
there.
there and take off the headers and all kinds of shit. The space on this truck is A1. Damn it, boy. Dale, tronco, Vale. Tronco.